Hello, mic testing. Hello, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Hello, hello, hello. 1 2 3 4.
Distinguished dignitaries at the dais and our esteemed guests and participants, I, Soundarya Nair,
And I, Devika Virkar.
on behalf of the organizing committee of the 4th Trilegals NALSAR-CCI Antitrust Moot Court Competition 2025, welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony. At the outset, we would like to invite our Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Sri Krishnadeva Rao, to present a bouquet to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Vijay Kumar Agarwal. Before we begin, I would like to request all the dignitaries to kindly light the lamp and start the event on a positive and solemn note. This competition marks a major milestone in our journey to engage with competition law, an area of law that is becoming increasingly significant in today's interconnected world. Through this MOOT, we aim to not only explore the complexities of competition law, but also equip ourselves with the skills necessary to navigate this area effectively. The area behind this competition is simple yet ambitious: to create a platform where legal minds from across the country and beyond can engage with cutting edge issues in competition law, debate, and refine their advocacy skills in front of some of the best minds in the profession. Now, I would like to invite our faculty in charge, Saurabh Bharti sir, who has extended his unwavering support to us throughout the whole event. Sir, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Soundarya. I am introduced as faculty in charge of the Moot Court Committee at NALSAR, but this is merely a kind of a ceremonial position I hold, because the real work is done by the Moot Court Committee and the organizing committee. In this case, Shiva is the leader of the organizing committee with all the other members. And although it's been said that I have provided a lot of support, thank you for the appreciation, but I think I have not been an obstruction in any way. And that way things have been smooth for the Moot Court Committee. My role mostly, as I said, the real players are the Moot Court Committee and the organizing team. So the only job they expect me to do well is to welcome all of you, to NALSAR and to the competition. So all the teams from all over India, you've come here. We are hoping that you'll have great time on campus. We've tried to present to you a competitive problem. We hope that you would be competitive while engaging with the problem and while doing your rounds. While you will be competitive, you would also be respectful towards the other competitors. And at the end of the day, although there would be one winner, but the expectation is that all of you go back having a lot of memories from NALSAR, having won many friends, and of course, having learned the subject on which you are mooting. I'm wishing my team all the best. I know these three days are always tense for us because despite our best efforts, you never know how things would turn up. So I'm wishing them all the best. I know that they've done a lot of hard work. Before I leave, of course, I have to also thank our chief guest for being here, Dr. Vijay Kumar Agarwal. Sir dons many hats. I can introduce her as an advocate, as an author, as, of course, a preeminent voice on competition law. Sir, thank you for gracing the event today. And of course, our Vice Chancellor, who's been the real support when it comes to the mooting activities in NALSAR, not only just in organizing moots, of course, we organize 3 moots in a year, but also in supporting our teams to participate in national and international moots. So I thank our Vice Chancellor who is with us here. And finally, before I leave, our partners for this, which is Competition Commission of India and Trilegal. Without their support, of course, this would have been a really difficult, endeavor to undertake. So all the best to all the teams, and of course, all the best to the team here, organizing team. I hope everything goes well. We are always open for feedback or for anything you want to, get in touch with. I would be available, and all the best to all of you. Right. Okay.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. Now I would like to invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to encourage the participants for this competition.
Dr. Agarwal ji, the chief guest of today, a renowned competition law expert, my colleague Saurabh, and all the teams, those who have been participating in this 4th competition law antitrust moot court, which is jointly organized with CCI and Trilegal. I was just interacting with Dr. Agarwal, trying to understand the history, and also through his interactions, I have learned many things. I know that was an era, 1986, Consumer Protection Act, and then monopolies, restrictive trade practices. Then, like all legislations, you look at, if you go back to the history of all legislations, whether Government of India was willing to pass this legislation it was a push from the international level. If you look at whether the United Nations, whether the Juvenile Justice Act came in 1986, Consumer Protection Act, MRTPC, and Competition Commission. I think Dr. Agarwal has a long experience. He was perhaps the last law officer who worked with the MRTPC Commission. And then later on, he has been with the competition. So he knows the journey, progress of the development of competition law. I was also joking, I'm a criminal law teacher. And also, as somebody who is fascinated about theorizing and critical questioning, I was asking him, why we should use in a nomenclature in a law anti-pro, that's trust. Why antitrust? So, but anyhow, that's the whole Sherman Act, and then the United States at that time was pushing, that's what Dr. Agarwal is saying, and that was the reality you look at several times. Sometimes we have to compete at the international level. We have to showcase the law policy regulations. Globalization is one push. Information communication technology is another push. Several things, good, bad, and then you have to demonstrate. So that's the brief history I could understand. And also I'm passionately worked with the Competition Commission. In the initial days, we were just looking at, I think Ashok Chawla, when he became the, second chairman of the Competition Commission of India, we were looking at Geeta Gauri was a very great economist. So Competition Commission is not any yet another law. It's a multidisciplinary law, and economics plays a major role. Of course, I will not go into much of the details. This is a new lawyering skill. Competition Commission, antitrust, policies, appeals will go to the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. You have a wonderful Justice Ashok Bhushan, who is chairing there, and several other. Mooting, just 2 minutes, and then I will welcome you all. Mooting is really something, is experiential learning. That's it, sufficient. Sit in the class, listen, read, reflect, that's a one level. But once you stand on your feet, that's what people say. Your parents, your grandparents will be saying, घर में रह के क्या सीखेगा तुम? जाओ कोर्ट में जाओ, मूट कोर्ट में जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ. That's what is, खड़े हो जाओ. That's what is a moot court. Stand on your feet, argue. That's what. And it's a joyful learning, really mooting. We were deprived when we were the students. It's a real joyful learning. Enjoy it. Forget about it. Abhi now all law schools are, my students say, sir, toxic competition. Hey, chhod do, bhul jao. Enjoy. Win, lose, forget about it. Learn. That's a great learning. Enjoy it. You're here in this hall, which is given by a great lawyer, K.K. Venugopal, in the name of his father, Nambiar, great judge. I think all of you know about A.K. Gopalan case. Okay, that's what it is. And we have a good tradition, and Saurabh and all the student team will take care of you. Enjoy, immerse in whatever you do, forget about winning or losing. And once again, welcome to this beautiful campus. This is the second law school in India. After Bangalore, they were looking at the second law school, but I would rate as the best campus. You judge. Wonderful campus. Enjoy, relax, no competition. Participate, learn, enjoy, all the best.
I'm honored to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Vijay Kumar Agrawal. With over 3 decades of experience in competition law, including more than a decade as a partner and senior consultant in a leading law firm, he is a distinguished authority in the field. Dr. Agrawal has independently handled numerous antitrust and competition law matters under the MRTP Act and the Competition Act 2002, appearing before the MRTPC, CCI, COMPAT, now the NCLAT, High Courts, and the Supreme Court of India. An esteemed author, he has penned 2 seminal books on Indian competition law and has contributed extensively through articles and an online certificate course. As a dedicated academic and visiting faculty member at reputed law universities, his insights continue to shape the next generation of legal professionals. Sir, we welcome you, and the dais is yours.
At the outset, I must thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor for saying kind words towards me. I am grateful to him. Respected Honorable Vice Chairman, respected Moot Court Committee faculty, Dr. Saurabh Bharti, distinguished guests, and faculty members participants, friends. Good afternoon to everyone present here. It is indeed an immense and privilege to stand before this august gathering at this prestigious law school for the inaugural ceremony of the antitrust MOOT court competition. I am grateful to the organizers for extending this invitation, for the opportunity to witness the spirit of legal excellence flourish among young minds. This event marks a significant milestone in the legal fraternity, fostering an environment where young legal minds can engage with the complexities of competition law. At its core, competition law is the backbone of a fair and efficient economy. It ensures that businesses compete on a level playing field, encourage innovations, and protect consumers from anti-competitive practices. The legal framework surrounding antitrust regulations continues to evolve, particularly in the face of the rapid technology achievements and the emergence of global digital market. As future legal professionals, your role in shaping and interpreting these laws will be of paramount importance. MOOT court competitions such as this one serve as an invaluable platform for law students to refine their advocacy skill, develop legal reasoning, and gain a deeper understanding of the intricate balance between regulation and free market principles. They not only provide an opportunity to test one's legal acumen, but also instill the valuable professionalism, discipline, and ethical conduct. As participants, you will be challenged to think critically, present persuasive arguments, and define your position with clarity and confidence. You will grapple with issues that legal practitioners and policymakers confront daily, from monopolistic practices to cartel regulations, and from market abuse to emerging challenges in the digital economy. The experience you gain here will undoubtedly prepare you for the complexity of the real world legal practice. I commend the organizers for their vision in bringing this competition to life. To the judges and members, your guidance and expertise will serve as a beacon for these aspiring lawyers. And to the participants, I urge you to seize the opportunity to learn to challenge yourself and to engage in constructive legal discourse. The skill you have here will serve you well in your career and beyond. Let this competition be a celebration of intellect, dedication, and pursuit of justice. I wish each of you the very best as you embark on this remarkable journey. May your arguments be compelling, your research be thorough, and your resolve be unwavering. In conclusion, I would like to leave you with a thought. The law is not merely a profession, but a calling, one that demands intellect, preservation, and deep sense of justice. The world looks up to the legal professionals to be the torchbearer of truth and justice. I have no doubt that the future of legal fraternity is in capable hands, and I eagerly forward to witnessing the passion and brilliance that this competition will unfold. With these remarks, I declare the anti-moot court competition open and wish all the participants the very best. May the best team win, and may each of you emerge enriched by this experience. Thank you and best wishes to all.
Thank you so much for your kind words, sir. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for being the top 24 in a MOOT that has received the 121 registrations. It shows how much work you have put in your written submissions. I was calculating how many teams are going to qualify, and the number that we got was 19.83%. So I would like to congratulate you all for that. This is the largest antitrust MOOT of the country in terms of participation and the largest MOOT that NALSAR has ever hosted. And we are particularly proud of that fact. First of all, I would like to thank Saurabh sir. I think he was too humble. He has been very supportive of us, and we have gone to him with even the minutest of problems, and he has always been with us. Then VC sir, as he beautifully mentioned, that I think you guys are all here to learn, and I hope it is a very learning experience for you, and you all have a very great competition. And lastly, thank you, Dr. Agrawal, for accepting our invitation. It was a great honor for us. Now I would like to request the Honorable Chief Guest to inaugurate the MOOT.
While organizing this MOOT, our partners have been our biggest support. Trilegal is the backbone of this competition with its innovation and excellence in legal practice. As a full-service corporate law firm, Trilegal operates with a global outlook and a deep understanding of the evolving legal landscape. As we gather here today, let us embrace the spirit of competition, camaraderie, and intellectual pursuit. Let us seize this opportunity and engage with the complexities of competition law and emerge not just as winners, but as better equipped advocates and scholars. Thank you, everyone. It was lovely to have you here, and we're very, very excited to host you. Teams, please stay back for the participants briefing.